doing this. So instead of doing this, I recommend you can have this formal connector. You can write them down, and they are. Furthermore, in addition, I can say additionally as well. Okay, besides, and what is more? Oh, I forgot moreover as well, which is a very good connector to use. So, and notice here the comma after every connector. If I will start a sentence by these connectors, they should be followed by a comma, okay, or by commas. But if I would like to join it with the previous sentence, it's recommendable to put the semicolon and